first, let's go on a little holiday with Lauren and our potential future state experience and what that could look like, and we'll jump into a demo. But first, a little bit about Lauren. Lauren is a 360 Rewards member. We know she's flown with us to luxury tropical escapes in the past, but now we don't know much else about her outside of that. We know she likes business class because she spent a lot of money on those flights, so let's go book a trip. So imagine now you've got an agentic experience and someone comes onto your website like Lauren and she wants to go and book this trip. But Lauren first logs in the top right and goes to her profile. We can see all of Lauren's 360 reward benefits, everything she has access to. She's a paid member. So if we go through and look at my benefits, we basically see all the things that are included as a 360 reward member. But these are all, think about it, preference center, right? This is pretty standard stuff. It's been around for years. This is where all this stuff lives. Right, so now if we go out, we know, we've understood, let's go and book that trip with Lauren. It's February. I'm pretty sure the powder in Japan's pretty good, so Lauren probably wants to book a ski trip to Japan. So let's click that. So now what's happening is, I just want you to take it in, this is what we call adaptive web. So essentially we're interacting with an agent on the left-hand side, and in the middle, the content changes based on the interaction. There's intent, there's signals, all of that's being transferred in real time via the website, and then we serve it back up to you. So, hey Lauren, we know it's a good time in Japan. Yeah, yes, February works for me. Lauren clicks February. Have you noticed also though, Lauren isn't even typing. She's just being suggested. She's being anticipated things that might be relevant to her in that moment. So she's just clicking. Yep, I like luxury escapes. We might need to do a little bit of profiling to understand what this trip's about. She loves luxury escapes. She's an avid skier, so we're probably not going to serve her, anything that might put her off from being an avid skier. Does she want to do a few experiences? We know she likes luxury travel. Obviously, she's going to go dining at some hatted restaurants, sure. Right, she selects her dates. How many nights is Lauren going? 9 nights. Pretty expensive trip. She's booking it for next week. All right. So now what happens is you can see that curating the experience. And then you can see what happens is we basically serve up, but the top 2 recommended are based on all the intent and all the data that we know about Lauren in that moment. Lauren likes the sound of it in a Seco ski trip, so she hits select that package. We then go, hey Lauren, this might be a good time in the background. Let's upsell Lauren on some potential activities also from one of our partners within the program. Let's add some activities. We then might add an avalanche safety and backcountry course, and the reason we add that is obviously we know she's an avid skier. So we give her that, and we give her the backcountry powder, and then we select and add those activities. So if you think about how long this has taken me, it's taken me about 2.5 minutes. I've basically helped Lauren book a trip worth $12,500 based on the flights and all the experiences she likes. I've added more activities, so I've upsold and converted her basket in that moment as well. And then you really like this bit. I anticipate that I know she only flies Qantas. Hey Lauren, do you want us to show you Qantas flight only? Yes, please, show me those flights. So now Lauren quickly selects those flights. It's all booked. It's business class. Everything that we know about Lauren has been served to her and anticipated. Lauren completes that booking. Perfect. Now I'm going to show you the true power of the Salesforce platform. If you can jump to the CRM screen for me, please, Yvonne. And here we go. So now all of those signals, all of that data, every single thing that we just went through is already surfaced in the CRM screen for Lauren. So the one thing I really want to call out though, because I know I'm running out of time, is that next best action on the bottom right-hand side. If you read those, it tells us, hey, maybe this is an upsell opportunity within the coming days to put Lauren into add a luxury Japan dining campaign. Surely she's going to buy it. Some premium travel insurance, double points on dining experiences. We can add all of those things to Lauren in her build up to her trip in the next 7 days. And then in the middle, we just want to show that travel history. We click through, we can see all the recent escapes. We can see all of her preferences, they're already here. You'll see she loves, obviously, winter sports now, 5-star hotel, spa facilities. We know all of this. And then, obviously, we can see all of her loyalty data. This is the entire Salesforce platform, end to end, all in one pane of glass for anyone who needs to look at it.